Are you watching your home renovation budget is going up, 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 and you don't know why? You don't know how to stop it? Now you're frustrated, even knowing that where this is gonna land. If you already started the project, and that's what happening, it's most like you didn't plan it. If you did plan it, probably gonna better control on that. At the end of the video, you're gonna know exactly how to avoid that, what's the best techniques, and also how to maximize your budget. Take a look. This right here, it's a render. So it's not already been built, but it's very realistic. This is what the space is gonna look like. So pre-design your space and render it, and you approve the final look will be essential. And that's the way you're gonna be able to control your budget. If you start the renovation already, it will be a lot more to control. I'm gonna explain to you this is a real project. We build a high level budget for this in 470, 450, 50 somewhere in there. Final number came 590,000, so 600,000, 120,000 or more, 120, 150,000 more. Why that happened? And I explain to you a couple of things. So first thing is use selections. When you select the material, if you pick nice faucets, nice finishes, it's gonna increase the price. If you decide to make the house a little bit bigger, it's going to increase your price. If you're going to change the design of your house or the front or make something nicer, it's going to change the price. So, first thing, never start a project without a design and a final budget. Budgeting looks like this. Put everything into a piece of paper and understand what's going to take to build your project. How many square foot of tile, what's going to be selections, the scope of work is going to require every step. For example, drywall, installation, like whole thing. How many do we need? How long is it going to take? And have your company or the company you're working with build this for you way in advance. If you build this, you're going to be able to stop growing the budget and also you'll be able to understand your final number before we go ahead and build it. This is actually a project and how to stop this project and push for next year because at the end the final selection with the final design with the number they have in mind it's really in the high part, so they're gonna work on the financial part to really start project next year. All right, I hope this was helpful. Never start a project without design or the budget because you're gonna be impressed, you're gonna be surprised. Build the budget, build the design way before you start the project. Even though your number was something different, when you fill this document, when you build this document with all these selections, then at least you know what's going to be the final number, and you're not stuck in the middle of the project. All right. Any questions? Just comment below. We'll be happy to answer or make a video explaining more about the concerns you guys have.